How to remove welcome to Instagram problem. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection, whether you have stable internet connection or not. For that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Give a fresh restart to your router and rejoin it. Likewise, you can also switch your network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Then scroll down, navigate to the option of General, hit towards the option of iPhone storage. In this page, you're going to find different apps that are installed in your device. Hit towards the app Instagram, open it, then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once you reinstall the app, your problem might be fixed. If this solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is completely delete Instagram app from your device and reinstall it. For that, click on Delete app, and delete this app from your device. Then you can launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram, and then install it. If this solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is you can log into your Instagram account in the PC. After you do that, you will be good to go. Well, this way you can easily remove welcome to Instagram. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.